Hey guys, I'm so excited. I received this package today. Literally right now, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this since I seen the collab with Selena Gomez. Like, OMG, like I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe I got it. But yeah, let's unbox it. This is like a freaking dream right now. Like, I am so freaking oh my gosh. Welcome to our place. We saved you a seat. At our place, we believe the strongest connections are made over a home cooked meal. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so exciting. The packaging, so cute. So it comes with this. Oh my gosh. It comes with a little recipe. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And then it comes with the top of the pan. Oh my gosh. Guys, I got a pink pan. Their pans come in different colors. Like I love that. I didn't really like the other colors of the pans. Like they could be so boring, like black or blue or gray. Like I got a pink one. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I will be posting a separate video from this, like cooking and using it and using the utensils. So this will just be an unboxing, guys. But oh my gosh, OMG, look at this. Wow, your new nesting steamer basket for dumplings, veggies, and more. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Like, you guys don't even know how I feel right now. I'm literally shaking a little bit, but the Always pan is designed to help you do way more with less. Girl, I am so excited. This pan is so beautiful, guys. It's heavy. I'm super excited. It's so beautiful. This is like my dream come true. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so excited, guys. I didn't think it would come so soon. Oh my gosh. Like, you guys. I'm so happy right now. Thank you to our place uh for sending this over. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. It's a beautiful pan. Like, look, you guys. This is with the, like, you guys could hear that this is good material. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know that it came with the this like a utensil. Like, that is so nice. I love the packaging. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to use it, guys. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait to use it. And I can't wait to show you guys the pan and cooking something on it. Like, oh my god. I'm so excited. So stay tuned, guys.